I hope he doesn't poop in my hand.
Oh, that's a guy. Uh-oh. Let me take a picture.
You want to go over there and drop it off in the shop?
Do you think he can survive?
This is too small.
I know. It definitely fell from the nest.
I'm worried he's going to probably starve to death. We could take it home. Do you want to take it home?
I don't know how to take care of it though.
I don't know either. It's shaking. I wish I knew where his mom was. Oh, it's so scared. It's shaking. You see it shaking?
It's definitely not big enough.
Maybe it is. It is a sparrow. I mean, like the little one.
Those?
Yeah.
It doesn't fly.
It's got feathers. What should I do? Is that his mom? Dude, where'd you fall from, man? Should I just put it there?
No, I can't. I can't even reach.
I can reach that.
No, you can't. Not in a random hole.
Look at under his neck. It's got like a problem. See it? I don't think it's developed properly. It's very warm. I think he's pooping on me. Oh, there's tons of cats.
Yeah, there are so many cats. Seriously, I saw a cat this morning too. No, I can't leave it here.
I'm gonna get a box.
Okay.
Don't get too emotional, alright?
Okay.
It might die.
Okay, wait.
Where?
Yeah, put it in.
He doesn't want to get off my finger. Come on, you gotta let go of me.
Oh, he likes you. He knows that you're safe.
Yo, he doesn't want to let go of me. Sure he stays warm, okay?
Okay. Well, I have hamster bedding, so maybe
yeah,
they
maybe
will help. Yeah.
Yeah. And look for food. This is your project today.
Oh. Let's go, birdie. It's okay. I'll take care of you. Okay, we are here. Let's go, birdie. I don't know if this bedding is good for you. I'll give this to you. Now I gotta do some research on you. Raising orphaned wild baby birds. I found a baby bird. What should I do? So I'm doing some kind of research right now. If the baby bird is not on the ground, leave it alone. As young birds learn to fly, they leave their nests. Well, I don't think it's fully grown because it doesn't have feather underneath of its neck. What do I have to feed it? What is the likelihood that this baby bird will survive if I leave it on the ground? Very Very unlikely. Milk is not a natural diet for them, and it does more harm than good. So no milk. Hand-feeding bird food works the best. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't know how to feed you. Maybe I'm just gonna give you some egg. 타코 깼어요. 응? 타코도 깼어요. 응? 이상한 소리가 나서 깼어요, 타코. 아구. I'll give you some egg too.